I woke up this morning and it's raining, so I decided to cook me a big old breakfast. Right now, I got a sausage in my rice cooker, and over here in my pancake cooker, I've got a hash brown patty. And then once my sausage is done, I'll cook an egg, and I'll have sausage, egg, and hash browns for breakfast. It's going to be good. I can't wait. And there's my finished breakfast. Over medium egg with cheese, hash brown, sausage, cherry jelly. And of course, if y'all know me, I got my chocolate milk. Gotta have my chocolate milk with breakfast. So in Michigan, I was driving along. I'm headed towards Missouri. Y'all, I'm getting a window put in my van on the side. I came up on this bridge. And as I crossed this bridge, Google Maps said, "Welcome to Wisconsin." And I, of course, said, "Well, thank you. Thank you very much, Google Maps." And as I crossed the bridge, this is what I saw. Draft horses. And I thought, man, that's pretty cool. I didn't know what it was at first, but once I pulled in the parking lot, I realized it was a museum. And I thought, I'm hungry. I'm just going to cook lunch. I don't think I'm going to go in the museum. So I pulled into the parking lot and fixed me some lunch. After I ate lunch, I took a walk and found out that this is Stevenson Island Park picnic area and historic museum and a boat launch. So I decided to go inside. And man, I'm glad I did. It's a pretty awesome place. I apologize for this video. I have gotten a new camera and microphone system, and I went in and recorded this whole museum, and when I got done, it was a silent movie. This is the 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙦𝙦 cabin. It's typical of what a home would look like in 1897. This home was in the 𝙤𝙧𝙧 family for almost a century, and the family donated it in 1994. When I first walked into this cabin, it struck me as to how much of a resemblance to a childhood show that I loved growing up, Little House on the Prairie. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard of that. But the stairs that went up to the attic, to the children's bedroom, to the kitchen, dining room, and master bedroom on the bottom floor. It was amazing being in this cabin, knowing that Mr. and Mrs. 𝙤𝙧𝙧 raised their family in this home. Although the museum mainly focuses on the logging history of the area, there are many artifacts relevant to northeast Wisconsin. The museum is open during the summer months, and although there is no admission charge, they do recommend donations of $3 for adults, $1 for teens, and children get in for free. I believe that my favorite room was the attic room, and that's the room that people have cleaned out their family estates and found items in the attic. And I don't have any to show here, so if you want to see what the attic room looks like, you'll have to go visit the museum. Here's a picture of Tom and Myrtle 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙦, who lived in this cabin until 1925. Although I don't know if these dishes were from the original cabin or not, but they would be, period, I'm pretty sure. As I turned back around, this rocking chair caught my attention, and I could just see Mrs. 𝙤𝙧𝙧𝙦 sitting here darning a pair of socks, or rocking a child to sleep, or resting her feet after standing on them in front of this hot stove cooking a meal for the family. I couldn't help but wonder what their life must have been like back in them days.
Woke up outside in the rain today, not a clue to where or how. Woke up alone, feeling blue today. What on earth do I do now? What on earth do I do?